You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is q equal or smaller than 17. Let's solve it step by step. Group all q terms on the left side of the inequality. Add 17q to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 9 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is q equal or smaller than 17.